The first ever NFL virtual draft began on April 23rd with the first round, and there was no surprise for picks 1 through 3.
Doing the draft this way is a new experience for all of us, but some things remain the same. Lastly, the best part of the draft is that it restores hope and generates optimism, because every team gets better through the draft. It's now my honor to announce that the first ever virtual NFL draft is officially open. The first pick in the 2020 draft, the Cincinnati Bengals select Joe Burrow, quarterback, LSU.
The draft was successful with few technical difficulties, but how did the virtual draft affect the chances of Cal Poly football players getting drafted? There were no Mustangs taken off the board during the actual draft, although one player did get his opportunity. The biggest news for the Mustangs came after the 7th round on Saturday, April 26th. After going undrafted, the phone started ringing an hour later for senior wide receiver J.J. Koski. The deal was done, and Koski had signed a rookie free agent contract with the Los Angeles Rams on April 26th, according to Mustang News. There were several NFL teams that contacted him prior to the draft, but Koski says Los Angeles was the best fit for him. Koski was named MVP and Most Valuable Offensive Player for the 2019 season after averaging 19.3 yards per catch and received 42 passes for 8 touchdowns. The 6'1", 195-pound wide receiver from Danville, California, had never missed a game during his entire collegiate career. Koski said, "It's also surreal that he always felt like he had the ability to go to the NFL, but never thought he would get the chance." Koski graduated last fall with a degree in business administration, concentrating in accounting. Reporting for MNTV, I'm Tony Farias.